Now, something else I learned, meals will be served, but you are encouraged to bring snacks, and those with special diets should bring appropriate foods. You have to bring your own bedding. Inflatable twin-size mattresses are permitted, but pay close attention, folks. Nothing larger than that. Space is limited. Now, we met a couple who are from Flagler Beach, and they told us they just didn't feel safe staying home.
I don't think it's safe. It's fine, but I don't want to stay there.
Well,
You know.
only because that our daughter Barbara seems the safest place to be is here instead of home.
Home.
Okay?
Yeah. So we're gonna check in. We have ID. We're not criminals.